Today my kids asked for my chicken feet and chicken wings pot again because they love how delicious it tastes. The chicken wings and feet turn out so tender that the meat falls right off the bone, and the rich sauce tastes amazing with rice. First, blanch the chicken in water with ginger, green onion and cooking wine, then stir-fry lightly. Saute onions until fragrant, add the chicken back in. Season it, and simmer for 20 minutes. Add vegetables and shrimp. Cook for another 10 minutes. Then reduce the sauce. It tastes just like restaurant food, but costs much less to make at home.